Creating a form. The easiest way of creating a form is by going to the Create tab and in the Forms group using the Form Wizard. The wizard will help us to create a simple and customizable form. Clicking on the Form Wizard, the first thing it will ask you to do is to choose the table or the query that you're making the form from. Here I only have a choice of 2 tables because that's all I have in my database. So I'm going to create a form from the table called Customers. Down on the left-hand side we have all the different fields that's inside that table. If you want to bring over all fields, you can simply click on the double arrow. Anything that appears over here will appear in the form. Using the double arrow to come back again brings back all of the fields, and now nothing is in the form. If you want to pick individual fields to bring them over, simply click on the field and then use the single arrow instead, or in the opposite direction, select the field and then use the arrow pointing to the left. In this particular example, I'm going to bring over all fields. Then I click Next. I can then choose from 4 different types of layouts, and clicking on each one will show a little preview of what the form will look like. I'm going to go with the first of these layouts and click Next. I then need to put a title for my form. I'm going to leave the word Customers, but I'm going to put FRM in front of the form. So now when I press Finish, it will go and build the form for me. So instead of having to go to the table to fill in a new customer, I can come down here, I can click on the arrow with the asterisk to create a brand new blank customer form, and I can fill in the data. I can always go back through the records as well, and I'm able to see each customer one at a time instead of in the database table format. Once you close the form, you'll see that it's visible over here on the left-hand side. Double-clicking on the form will always open it, and if you right-mouse click on the form, you can go into the design view of the form. We'll look at the design view in the next lesson.